Good morning, guys, and welcome to Vlogmas Day 7. So after last night's debauchery, this is like the perfect time to have come here. I'm so happy because I'm a little bit hungover, but Politan Row, which is a restaurant in Houston, it's not a restaurant, sorry, it's a food court in Houston, and they have different vendors in this food court. They very kindly invited me to come and like sample their food, so I literally just rolled out of bed, not literally, you know, put on makeup and whatever, but I haven't eaten anything, so I'm very excited. I am starting off with an avocado toast, and then I'm gonna do a beef bao bun. The bao bun at the restaurant is called Breaking Bao, and it was a food truck turned into like a brick and mortar, so you know that the food's gonna be legit. I'll keep you guys posted. This is a really beautiful avocado toast. Next up, we're trying these bao buns. So I have mine that's a ribeye, and I believe this is kimchi. And Rami has a jackfruit one that looks so good too. I love all the color on the table right now. It's so pretty. So good. Rami, are you in heaven or are you in heaven?
The first one.
Next up, we have crispy chicken dumplings and a vegetable curry with coconut rice. I have saved the best for last. Ovaltine and chocolate soft serve. Did anybody else have Ovaltine as a kid? I used to have it in milk all the time, so like this is like my childhood. Rami's still working on the curry.
She's already on her dessert and I'm still eating mine.
That's because Rami needs to finish my food and his food. So it takes a while, right, Rami? This is really good, guys. Humphrey's excitement is 100 since we moved to since we got back to the house. Humphrey, are you so excited? He got so happy when I'm home. Oh, baby boy. Okay, so the rest of the day, my plan is to show you guys what a typical day or a typical Saturday looks like in the Hafez house. We usually take our time to clean up and get ready for the following week. So we do all of our laundry, clean the house, clean the bathrooms, etc. And then also, since the weather is so nice, I really want to take Humphrey to the park because I've just been so busy and I feel so bad that sometimes like he's cooped up in the house. So it's Humphrey's weekend too, so we're gonna let him have some fun, especially because there's not even a cloud in the sky today. It's really pretty. So I'm gonna get started and show you how we do a Saturday. Okay guys, so I'm just gonna end this vlog here. There's laundry for, like, our sheets are being washed right now, so we're gonna put them on in a little bit. I washed all the towels in the house because they really, like, once a week I have to do this because it starts bothering me if I don't. And Rami decided to go take Humphrey to the park without me because I just wanted to get all the work done in the house while he took care of Humphrey and let him enjoy the outdoors, because it gets dark so early these days, so that we can maximize time. And then when he comes back, we're really looking forward to just chilling on the couch and watching The Marvelous Mrs. Maisel. If you haven't seen that show, it's hilarious. It's on Amazon and they just released the 3rd season. We were actually supposed to have friends over for dinner tonight, but they have kids, so they had to cancel. So Rami and I decided that we would just not make any plans, relax, have a quiet night in, because this rarely happens, especially on the weekends. My plan tomorrow is to tackle some organization around the house. I'm gonna do this media cabinet behind me. It's not like necessarily full of stuff, but periodically I like to go through it and just sort everything out and rearrange it in a way where I can just create a little bit more space. It just helps me feel a little bit better that things are organized around the house. And then also I wanted to tackle my pantry tomorrow too, because now I think it's gotten to the point where I don't even know what's in it, so that's never good. So I'm really hoping that tomorrow I can do that. And then also meal prep. I think even though I'm ending this vlog now, I'll try to film Rami and I going grocery shopping, because I want to show you guys like how I plan a meal, and I mean my meals for the week, and try to meal prep everything. So I think tomorrow we're gonna do that. Do I have any other plans tomorrow? Nope, I think it's just gonna be more home organization stuff and then getting ready for the work week. Although I know this is the holiday season and people are starting to like mentally check out, but this is when I really thrive and I get all like my house in order before the new year, and you know, just even get started on my New Year's resolutions now versus like January 1st or whatever. So, and that's always a thing for me, is to do like spring cleaning, but I do it earlier because I have a lot of time in December to do so. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna be doing. I will see you tomorrow. Bye.